In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Replit for Python programming. First, open your browser and go to replit.com. Once you're there, click on Explore Replit, then select Developer Frameworks. From the list of languages, click on Python. If you don't see it right away, click View More and find Python there. After selecting Python, click on Remix. Replit will ask you to create a new project. Give your project a name. I'll just leave it as Python and keep the default description if you want. Next, choose your privacy setting. Public projects are free, while private projects require a paid plan, so I'll leave mine set to public. Now click Use Framework, and Replit will start loading your workspace. Once it's ready, this is your Python coding environment. You'll see the code editor, the console, and the file tools. You can create and manage files, run your code, and even use the built-in AI helper on the left side to assist you while coding. And that's it. You're now ready to start using Replit for Python programming.